Welcome back to the channel, The Petri Dish, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the classification of animal tissues, which are majorly of four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Everybody knows that cells which are performing a similar function together, they form the tissues. In case of animals also, this major important four types of tissues are there. Epithelial tissues are majorly present at the body surfaces. They are providing the cover to our body or protection to our body. It can be classified into different types, that is squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, and glandular epithelium. Next is connective tissue, which is connecting the body parts, and it is also helping in transport of different materials. It is also can be classified into different types, that is areolar tissue, adipose tissue, then tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bone, and most important is the blood. Next is muscular tissue. It is bringing about any kind of contraction in our body muscles. It can be three types, that is striated, smooth, and cardiac muscular tissues. Next is the nervous tissue, which is the neurons. It is like transmitting the impulses to our body, and it is also taking the stimulus from the environment. Epithelial tissues are majorly classified based on the structure. So first one is squamous epithelium, which are like flat thin cells. It is majorly seen in our cheek cells and also at the lining of the alveolus. Next is cuboidal epithelium. From the name itself, it can be understood that the cell shape will be cube-like. Okay, it is present in the kidney tubules and also different glands of our body. Columnar cells, these are column-like cells, and it is present at the intestinal layer. Next is ciliated epithelial tissue, which is like having a cilia on the surface. It is also columnar and shape. It is also like a column shaped cell which are performing all together and have cilia on it. Okay, it is present in the oviducts. And then is glandular epithelium, which is specialized for any type of secretion. It is present in our salivary glands. Next is the connective tissue. The first type is areolar connective tissue, which is present just beneath the skin, just beneath the layer of the epithelial tissue, and it is providing protection to all the internal organs of our body from any kind of external injury. Next is adipose tissue, which is storing the fat, and it is also protecting our body heat. Next, there is tendons, which is connecting the muscles to the bones. Next is ligament, which is connecting one bone to another bone. It is very strong and it is also flexible. Next type is the cartilage, which is present at the tip of our nose and also the ear pinna. It is providing flexibility to this organs. Next is bone, which is a very hard and rigid type of tissue. It is forming the skeleton of our body. Next is the blood, which is the most important or specialized connective tissue which is present in our body. It is doing the major transport in our body. It is also taking the waste material from our body and excreting it out. So blood is the most important specialized connective tissue. Next is our muscular tissue. First one is the striated muscular tissue. Okay, these are the voluntary muscles. That means we can use these muscles according to our wish. Next is smooth muscular tissue, which is involuntary. We cannot direct these muscles to act according to our wish. These muscles are present at the intestinal wall, at the blood vessels, at the uterus lining. Okay, so we cannot use these muscles according to our wish, but the striated muscles, they are present on our hands or bones or the skeletal muscles that we can bend according to our wish. Next is cardiac muscle, which is present at the heart. Okay, so that means that is why these cardiac muscles are providing the contraction to the heart also. We cannot, again it is involuntary, we cannot just direct these muscles to act according to our wish. Last one is the nervous tissue, which is the neurons or the nerve cells. These are making this nervous tissue. It is actually taking the stimulus from the environment, and also it is transmitting the nerve impulses throughout our body so that we can act to a stimulus which is taken from the external environment. So As a conclusion, I can say there are four types of tissues: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue is majorly protecting and absorbing and also performing the function of secretion. Connective tissue, from the name, it can be understood that it is supporting the connection and also it is transporting materials. Muscular tissue is helping the movement, and nervous tissue is controlling and coordinating our body parts. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.